Imagine a powerful company controlling vast territories in Africa. This was the British South Africa Company, led by Cecil Rhodes. Their mission: to establish colonial rule in Zambia. Today, we'll uncover how this process unfolded. Let's travel back to the late 1800s. The British South Africa Company, or BSAC, was formed to expand British interests in southern Africa. Rhodes received a royal charter in 1889. This allowed the BSAC to trade, colonize, and govern. The territory known as Zambia was part of this expansion. To lay claim to land, the BSAC signed treaties with local chiefs. Frank Lochner was sent to the Lozi Kingdom. In June 1890, King Lewanika was misled into signing the Lochner Concession. He believed it meant British protection. Instead, it granted the BSAC key trading rights. Meanwhile, Alfred Sharpe negotiated treaties in Eastern Zambia. When chiefs resisted, the BSAC often resorted to force. With each treaty and conquest, they solidified their control over the land. By 1899, British Protectorates formed. Barotseland and North-Eastern Rhodesia emerged, combining Barotseland and surrounding areas. In 1900, the BSAC established North-Eastern Rhodesia. These territories merged in 1911, creating Northern Rhodesia, the colonial name for Zambia. However, African resistance was fierce. The Angoni people in the east, led by King Mpezeni, fought back. In 1897, Mpezeni declared war against the British. The rebellion was strong but met with superior British weaponry. The British used the Maxim machine gun to defeat the Angoni, forcing Mpezeni to submit. As time passed, BSAC's rule became unpopular. Their administration struggled financially. On April 1, 1924, control of Northern Rhodesia transferred to the British government. The territory officially became a protectorate under British administration. So, what did we learn today? The British South Africa Company played a crucial role in establishing colonial rule in Zambia. They relied on treaties, military force, and exploitation of local leaders. Despite resistance, they asserted control until a formal British administration took over. To further explore this topic, check the resources linked in the description below. Dive deeper into Zambia's history and understand the impact of colonialism. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others interested in African history. Together, let's learn more about our past.